Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ethereal, I don't even know how to pronounce it now, ethereal piece combo. That is not how you pronounce that. This is just how you can create this headpiece combo on Draw to Impress. You do need VIP for this, and the Style Showdown crown and the Runway Diva crown. I'm just going to start by getting this one here. You can color it to whatever color that you want. I'm going to go for like a gold and green, maybe golden green vibe. So I'm going to add that in, and then we're also going to get this, and I'm also going to color it like a gold and green vibe here. Then we are going to go here. We're going to add this crown. Where is it? Here, this one, and I'm going to just color that gold, maybe green actually, and then gold, and then lastly we just need to add this one, and I'm going to color it in green and gold as well. And that is how you can create this headpiece on Dress to Impress, and the best part is you don't need to use accessory adjustments to do anything. So it's easier for the runway. I know it doesn't match this gold, but I should have just saved that color first, maybe. Okay, let me just do that real quick. Let me just change everything real quick so everything matches. Like that, and then here as well. What am I missing? Oh, here, okay. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!